Yaifare. Hojik agoigi me thagi Mangjounana me abdi agoigi kalen thagi Mangjounana Malem Nickpa earthquake thokpaji tholktrigi mamangda me thagi oina aina earthquake si Thoklakkadaba Cheichat det tang singa jo ai haji haijarage seida lere zik seida section wa ara seida zik viewer Malem Niklakkadaba Mangjounana KHANGHANJABA earthquake prediction ngasi Maliyaphan Palcha KUMSING lising homga samri kungani thoigi lak CHATLIBA me tha haidi ꯛꯂꯛꯀꯗꯕ me tha jiniko hayengdagi me tha hawlidra me tha gi masajda Palcha lising homga samri kungani thoi sokta mayangida lising ani gi kunmari gi me tha asigi Malem Nickpa haibudi Panthoibi Cheng Kheiba Leipak Niklakkadaba Nikkadaba Yaba earthquake prediction Macha Masu Kitang Chaokhapa Mayai Eina Chauba Achoubanachingba Nickadaba Thoklakkadaba Thokkangadaba Cheichat dersing adude me thagi Cheichat haibudi det tang ama tang ani tang taruk tang taret tang mapan tang tara ka mathoi tang tara ka ni thoi tang tara gumdoi tang tran tang trampan tang kun tang kumar thoi kuni thoi kulumdoi kumari kumanga kuntaruk kumapan Cheichat kunthra haiba Cheichat ama dagi kalaga kharga sum kala sum lakpasina kanba ari mari amu sathaba sum lakpasina hariba akoigi seijida piriba akoigi me thagi Cheichat det singase hariba masajida Malem Nickpa earthquake thokpa haiba singse masajida thokkangani amasung thokkani malemgi oima thakta horsarabani ana saida me thagi aina hariba Cheichat det tang asina singba ni hariba me thagi Cheichat det sing asida kitang sum section bigani sectionlo Leipak ki sa nyam puramangna ana amadi atai malemgi lam all world country singdasu aina Mangjounana lauttholiba det singsida anambana Malem Nickpa thokkangani malengi oiba thakthesu thokkani haiba saida akoi Leipak ki wadanate ana Malem Nick Oidaba atai di ai haichaki Bung jening pipa Malem laikoi pung santhongang amai chau aina Haidaba-Pndaba idaba lauthoktaba pidaba sahi lisingong samri kungani thoi Maliyaphan Palcha lisingani gi kunmari soki asigi me thagi Cheichat det singda lemhoriba Cheichat det tang sing aduda amarta me thagi oina Malem Leipak suni nikloi earthquake thoi aina me thagi Mangjounana lauthokpa Cheichat det singda Malem Nickpa natana Panthoibi Cheng Kheiba natana earthquake prediction Leipak Assam Tekau Burma Nagaland India na chingba atai mafam singdaju hariba aina lautholiba det sing asida anambana amasung Malem Nickpa earthquake thokpa ji oigane aruga lemoriba aina piriba seida Cheichat det tang singasi masina taba atai jingdathi Malem Nickpa ji anambana thoi sukthok thoi masi worldgi oiba malemgi oiba thakta hotsarabani ana seida earthquake prediction of Maliyaphan Palcha KUMSING lising homga samri kungani thoi 3422 year. This is the purest year of the Mitei Leipak May 2024. Some important earthquake prediction dates are given here of May 2024. Maliyaphan Palcha KUMSING 3422. Dates are here 1, 2, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 28, 29, 30. These given dates of May 2024 Maliyapham Palcha KUMSING 3422 will be take care all world countries, states and districts also. As I do mention what are a very important dates of earthquake prediction of May 2024. So everybody's take care what I did the given earthquake prediction dates of May 2024 3422 year of PRS Mitei Leipak. So many countries, states and districts also will be including such my facted announcing earthquake prediction of May 2024. Okay. Therefore, we do take care which I given earthquake prediction dates of May 2024 before occur earthquake. Therefore, this is the important message of earthquake prediction inside the world. And such that Eina Lautoksariba dead tang sing asida, Cheichat sing asida, me Thagi, Kalen Thagi, Malem Nickpa, Amasung, earthquake Thokpa, Masi, Panthoibi, Cheng, Kheiba, Eina, Kangni, Masi, Haidaba dead sing asida, Cheichat sing asida, avoid section beginning. Masini, Eina, Mayam the KHANGHANJABA. Please don't copy and send without my permission to any others. If that you may be fine, do regret suddenly your life from God surely. Thank you.